In the United States, the land of dreams and opportunities, lies a hidden menace which lurks in the shadows, far away from the prying eyes of the unsuspecting public. These are automobile graveyards, the final resting place for countless vehicles which once owned and conquered the roads. The extent of these graveyards is far greater than one could ever imagine, and the impact on the environment is nothing short of catastrophic. Contrary to popular belief, these automobile graveyards are not just confined to the outskirts of deserted towns or remote rural areas. They can be found right under our very noses, hidden in plain sight from the average passerby. Nestled away behind mundane facades, these graveyards silently sit in some of the backyards of America's most prominent communities.